and gentlemen, so today I would like to share about the air pollution index of Malaysia. As you know, this week and also next week is the movement control order taking place that restrict the movement of the people to go to the office and so on. So if you can see here, the quality of the air theoretically based on the regional haze situation indicate that majority of the places recorded good and moderate levels. Unfortunately, I cannot see the data based on the previous date, which is 1 week before or a few weeks before. If you want to do so, you may want to request personally with the Department of Environment, and maybe they need some fees, or if you are government official, perhaps they can just share the data with you. So one of the things that I would like to emphasize here is actually COVID-19 crisis. The movement of the car is already being restricted, and therefore the pollutions of the air and also the issues regarding the air pollution can be controlled. So it's a good mechanism indirectly to control the air pollution issue in our country. Okay, so that is one of the benefit beside the other things of the COVID-19. Perhaps also I would like to share with you some of the other things that may influence the COVID-19. To stay indoors is actually it reduces significantly the crime index in Malaysia. Around 50 to 70% has been reported by a lot of reporters here and also by PDRM. So beside the air pollution, the crime rates also possibly reduced due to the fact that a lot of people are waiting or just staying indoors inside their house. Can influence the COVID-19 pandemic is actually the number of birth rate. Okay, reported by NST, by Ministry of Women Affairs and Family, Malaysia will be expected to have more babies in January or February 2021. This is due to the fact that a lot of people are staying indoors, and they will also influence the influx of the baby birth rate for the upcoming years. So it is a very good positive impact on the other sides of the COVID-19 crisis. Okay, I already explained to you about these three significant or three ideas that may give you a positive impact about the COVID-19. So the first one is the reductions of pollution, especially on air pollution, and also with regard to the other kind of pollution, river pollution and so on. And then we can also see the reductions of crime rate due to the fact that a lot of people stay indoors. And the last but not least is the increasing of the birth rate that expectedly will be happening in the next few years. This is because of a lot of people stay indoors, and most of the time they spend together with their family, husband and wife and so on. So I hope that you find this video enjoy, and remember, please